Sure, you can't teach an old dog new tricks, but my new Enyaq is never shy to learn. Trick number 1, teaching it where to park and how, thanks to the trained park assist. I just find my favorite spot, park the car as usual, save the location as a favorite in the parking presets, and now we'll come back tomorrow. Alright, time to test my training skills. Once I'm close to my saved parking location, the car's memory kicks in. I give it permission, and off it goes. The car takes over, remembering every inch, every turn, while still being mindful of its environment. Impressive, huh? Train Park Assist in the Enyaq IV.
Škoda.